Hello everyone. So this is my testimonial for dietitian Khushbu Tilwani. I took her 9-day Navratri plan, and I must say it was a complete game changer for me, because the time when I took this plan, I was already under a lot of stress going on due to work, due to many situations, and because of stress there was a lot of emotional eating, there was too many sleepless nights. I was very highly bloated, and my migraine, which was treated few years back, it again started because of all the stress that was going around. So this 9-day plan really helped me. सबसे पहले तो it helped me to stop my craving for junk food or the outside food. Secondly, it helped me to get rid of all the bloating that was there in my body. There was a time when people used to see me and they used to say that थोड़ा सा swelling हो गया and all that. So all that swelling, I got rid of all that swelling. Number 3, I was always scared of fasting, because of which I always wanted to fast on Mondays or in Navratri, but I always had that fear that my migraine would hit again, and because of that I was never able to fast. I used to be very scared of fasting. So of course that thing was also sorted, and during that whole 9-day thing, there was not even once that I got my migraine hit. And fourthly, like, my bloating was gone, my migraine was cured, and all this was done while I was having food only once in a day. And even during once in a day, there were no carbs, there was only protein once in a day, and rest of the day I was allowed to eat fruits and veggies, salads. And I was even on some detox drinks, which really helped. Even after the plan was over, I'm stick to those detox drinks, because I know how greatly it benefited me. And the major 2 things that went so well with me was, 1, I got rid of my caffeine addiction. So before this, I was actually having 3 cups or 4 cups probably in a day, depending on the stress and work. There were days when I used to have 4 cups a day of coffee. And during this detox plan, I actually came to know that while I was not on coffee, how wonderful it was helping me to cope my dehydration. So I came to know the rapid benefits of not having coffee. And even after 3-4 months of that 9-day plan, I'm still not craving for coffee, and I'm totally off coffee. And I'm really loving that fact that I can get, I got rid of my coffee addiction. And fourth, which was most important and the most beautiful thing that happened by this 9-day plan, was the feel-good factor. The feel-good factor that it gave me, it was not about numbers, how many kgs I reduced. Of course, I reduced few kgs, which was important for Khushbu, but definitely not for me. More than the numbers, what was the best thing that happened was the feel-good factor. I was able to control my emotions. I was able to control my emotional cravings for food, and I went little more disciplined when it comes to food and my diet and my lifestyle. So thank you so much, Khushbu, for this. And of course, I would highly recommend to everybody to try at least once, so that you also come to know that how just by eating clean and eating home cooked meal, you can feel so much better. Thank you so much.